Hi everybody, and welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do a quick question and answer video, which is going to form part of a series of videos I'm going to make, answering very simple, fairly straightforward questions about cruising, and sort of questions that you may not know the answer to, or you may, and you're just curious really about what you should do on your cruise. Now, the first question we have, actually, I've got right up here on the screen. Now, I know it's a little bit hard to see, but I'm just going to read it off. It says, should you pack a towel for excursions like snorkeling, or can you bring one from the ship? Now, this is a really good question. Should you bring your own towel from home? I think that's really what it's more referencing. Or should I use the towels on board, or are you allowed to take the towels off the ship? Now, the simple answer, and I'm sure once you've heard this answer, you can click off, watch another video. We can listen to it a little bit more in depth. The answer is, well, yes, you can bring your own towel, and yes, you can take it off the ship on the excursions, but there's really no need to bring your own towels from home. The ship provides towels, and a lot of them. Now, there's basically two different types of towels that they provide on the ship. There's the ones that are in your cabin, which are typically white towels. They look like very simple hotel towels, or cruise ship towels, I guess. And they're basically in your cabin, in your bathroom, and they're for use in your cabin. And then if you go up to the pool deck of the ship, or the Lido deck, or the Serenity deck, depending on the name of the cruise line that you're on, they'll have pool towels, or basically beach towels, which are actually much larger as well. They're more designed for the sunbeds on the ship, or the deck chairs, and those towels are available on the ship to use while you're on the ship by the pool or anywhere you like on the deck of the ship. And then they can also be taken off the ship in the port and use them as you wish, and then bring them back. Now, the important thing is the towel that you would take off the ship, if for instance you were to lose it, and once it's basically, let's say, signed out by you, you'd be responsible for the cost of that towel if you don't return it. So it's really important that you look after that towel if you're going to sign one out. Now, basically in your cabin, particularly on the nights before the port days, the cabin steward will actually put beach towels in your room for use during the cruise. I call them beach towels or pool towels. And at any point, basically, you can use it and then basically leave it on the bathroom floor. And then the cabin steward would actually replace the towel with a clean one again. So if you were to get off in the port, say for instance like Cozumel, and you went to say Paradise Beach, you could take your pool towel with you off the ship, the one from your cabin, use it for the day, come back on the ship, leave it for the cabin steward, and he'll basically give you a new clean one for the next port day. So if you're on, say, a West Caribbean cruise, you do Cozumel, Belize, Honduras. So basically the next ports after Cozumel, you'll have a new towel for each port of call, or a clean, fresh one, let's say. You don't have to basically have it washed and replaced. You could basically use it and not have the cabin steward take it away for replacement, but I'm sure most people want a nice fresh towel each time. And then if you're actually on the ship and you go up to the pool deck, for instance, most of the Carnival ships have a towel station or a towel hut, and you can sign out towels right there. You generally put your sail and sign number, which is the number on your card, and your name or your cabin number. And depending on the ship, they may have a sign-up sheet, or they may actually have an electronic touchscreen display where they can pull up your information. And you basically borrow the towels while you're up by the pool, use them as you wish, and bring them back to the towel hut. And even if you want to replace it while you're up there for an hour or two, get a dry towel again. Very easy to take it, give it to the girl or the guy, they'll give you a new towel. I hope this is kind of interesting or knowledgeable information for you. These aren't going to be, probably maybe exciting videos, but they answer simple questions. I mean, for me personally, even working on the ship, or if I took a cruise, I'd simply just use the cabin towels, the beach towels put in my cabin, take it off in the port, use it for the day, bring it back on board, and get the cabin steward to replace it each day. Pretty straightforward. They really heavily discourage you taking the cabin towels either by the pool or off the ship, the white towels particularly. They want to keep them basically on the ship only for basically your bathroom use. And you'll probably notice there's different sizes, the little hand towels, the floor towels, and then the showering ones, if that makes sense. So yeah, hope that answers the question. Actually, this was someone who posted into a Facebook group, actually into Carnival Panorama cruise page group. But really, it doesn't matter what ship, what cruise line. It's a pretty, I guess, pertinent question. I mean, of course, as well, if you're flying, maybe putting a towel in your luggage is going to add weight to your luggage as well. It's going to take up space, especially coming home where you're going to have extra gifts and souvenirs. There is no need to bring a towel from home. You can use your own towel. Maybe you like the one with flamingos on or dolphins, but the ship's provided towels are perfectly adequate. So for me, I hope that answers the question. I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. We make lots of nice videos, lots of reviews, cabin reviews, how to get to the beach videos. Yeah, thanks for watching this video and listening to the information. I really do hope you found it helpful. Anything I've kind of missed out, maybe just put it in the comments. And I'm going to put a new video for you right here or here, let's see, of something that you might want to check out. Maybe another video. Okay, check it out right here.